Hi everyone, have you ever taken a technically perfect photo, sharp image, perfect exposure, beautiful colors, and still is boring? This is where composition comes in. Composition is how you arrange the element, the subject or subjects inside your frame to guide viewer's eye and tell a stronger visual story. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 of the most essential composition techniques that every photographer has to know. And it can be used in any genre of photography. So without any further ado, let's get started. Roll of third is one of the most important composition techniques, and that is for good reason. Imagine dividing your frame into 3 equal parts horizontally and 3 equal parts vertically. So you're gonna get 9 rectangles. The idea of using roll of third is to place your element, place your subject along the lines or at the intersections of these lines. Roll of third creates balance and add more visual interests and makes the image feel more natural. And most cameras and even smartphones these days let you turn on a roll of third overlay, so you can use it to precisely place your item on the lines or at the intersection of these lines. It is recommended that if you're shooting landscape or seascape, place the horizon on the top horizontal or bottom horizontal line. If you're shooting a portrait, just go ahead and place the eye of your subject close to one of the intersection points. The second technique in composition is leading lines or guiding lines. Leading lines are the lines inside your frame that guides your viewer's eye toward your subject. These lines can be roads, rivers, fences, bridges. Sometimes when you're shooting, you can use light to guide your viewer's eye toward the subject that you have placed in a shadow. Our eyes naturally follow lines, so they control where the viewer looks first and where it's gonna look next. A road that is leading to a person is a good example of guiding lines or leading lines. Or a hallway that leads to a door is another good example of guiding lines. Third technique is symmetry. Symmetry is all about balance, meaning that both sides of your image are mirroring each other. This technique works well with architecture, minimal portrait, and reflections. This technique works because it creates a sense of order and visual satisfaction. Framing simply means that you use the elements inside the frame to frame your subject. And these elements could be windows, doors, tree branches, and even you can use people And when you frame your subject inside another frame, it adds to the depth and isolates your subject from distraction. And the last technique is negative space. What does it mean? Negative space is the empty space, uncluttered space around your subject. It could be a clear sky, an open field, or a white wall. And the purpose of using negative space is to give space for your subject to breathe. And it creates a clean, powerful visual impact. Negative space is especially effective when you're shooting portraits, street photography, and sometimes you can benefit this technique when you're shooting wildlife. Don't forget that these composition rules are just rules, and rules can be broken. If you feel that your image can be more powerful and you can tell your story and transfer your emotions more clearly just by breaking these rules, just go ahead. Because at the end, you're the author of your image. You are the creator of this story that you're telling your viewers. And like any other techniques, you need to practice, and most importantly, as I just mentioned, break the rules when you feel that your image is going to be stronger. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you won't be missing any of my future videos. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday, and by subscribing, you won't miss any of them. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And as always, take good care of yourself. Keep shooting. I see you soon. Cheers.